Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to find a transaction ID on Cash App. So, let's get started. It's a very simple process. First, click on the clock icon located at the bottom right to view your transactions. To find a specific transaction ID, locate the transaction you're interested in. Click on that transaction and the details will appear. Then, click on the three dots in the corner. This is where you'll find the transaction ID. This unique number is your identifier for the transaction. That's the basic way to locate your transaction ID on Cash App. Another method is to go to your profile. Scroll down and select Documents. Then go into Statements and Account Statements. Choose the month when the transaction occurred. A statement will be generated and you'll be able to find the transaction ID under Transactions. That's how you can find it. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel so I can keep making more videos like this.